As a novice bird photographer, you want a camera for a reasonable price that you won't regret getting but which will still let you grow into it. If you're a beginner, then a proper point and zoom is more than enough. If you're serious about photography, then definitely go for a DSLR or a mirrorless camera. The best camera for bird photography comes with fast autofocus, is great in low light, and has a large variety of lenses available. For this, I come up with 3 awesome cameras which enhance your bird photography. Get more details regarding price and specification on the description box. Number 1. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV full-frame DSLR camera. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is the best DSLR camera. This is a great option if you are serious about bird photography and want the camera to support you when you move from novice to advanced. You will find that the configuration is similar to the Canon 7D Mark III settings for bird photography that yields better shots. The camera has an ISO range that can be adjusted up to 32,000. It also has a relatively low weight for the body, making it a great versatile option for shooting outdoors. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV full-frame digital SLR camera has a 30.4. It also uses a dual-pixel CMOS sensor to assist in providing better autofocus capability. The camera includes an LCD monitor that provides a live view when capturing photos. The monitor provides a touch interface, enhancing the overall convenience of the camera. It can also be used to record 4K video content. The device can also be used as a webcam with specific software. Number 2. Sony A7 full-frame mirrorless camera. Best mirrorless option. The Sony A7 III is a full-frame mirrorless camera which features interchangeable lens. This setup is quite impressive and making many die-hard DSLR photographers think twice about their preference. The full-frame sensor is able to capture minute details in low, high-light situations. Its mirrorless build makes this camera snappy and compact. Bird photographers will be impressed with the clarity and color this camera produces. Paired with the Sony FE200-600, this camera makes a great mirrorless full-frame camera for bird photography. If you are hoping to get professional-grade photos without paying for high-end Canon and Nikon cameras, the Sony A7 III is a great alternative. Number 3. Nikon Coolpix P1000 Bird Photography Camera. Best for beginners. If you're a beginner bird photographer, the Nikon Coolpix P1000 is an excellent bridge camera because it is easy to use and offers incredible zoom. You won't have to worry about purchasing any extra lenses because this point-and-click camera features a fixed zoom lens that magnifies images up to 125x. At its price point, there's not another camera on the market that compares to the zoom capabilities of the Nikon Coolpix P1000. The zoom is what makes this camera an amazing option for bird photography. Other cameras would require zoom lenses nearly 3x the size of this camera. That being said, the compact nature of this digital lens does impact image quality. At lower to mid-range zoom levels, though, still enough to get close-ups of birds, this camera performs exceptionally well. This is definitely the best camera for beginners.